Alright guys, welcome back to Baking with Notorious. Here we are, we're going to have a bit of a kiddie session today. We've got a little treat for all the kiddies, or it doesn't have to be kiddies, it can be anyone really. We've got banana chocolate popsicles. So if you remember my Valentine's Day raw chocolates, we've got that same recipe here. So if you want that, check out that recipe on the website. And we're using that same recipe for the chocolate, and we've just got some bananas and then some toppings to go on that. Just to remind you guys, this is basically raw cacao, maple syrup, a little bit of sea salt flakes, coconut oil, and that's basically it. Just all mixed together. And there you have it, a nice healthy raw chocolate. Alright, so we're going to get our bananas and we're going to dip them straight into our raw chocolate mixture. So just going to coat them up nicely with some raw chocolate. And then we're just going to add some different toppings. So whatever you like. I've got desiccated coconut and some hundreds of thousands. We're going to whack them in the fridge and they'll set. And before you know it, you'll have some sweet little treats, some banana popsicles. So there we have it guys, there's your banana popsicles recipe. Good for the kids, good for anyone really. Healthy, yummy treat, afternoon treat. If you want the recipe, check out the link below.